Hi guys, in this video I'll be exploring Apple's latest product, AirTags. What can they do and are they worth buying? And as always, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. So before we proceed, I just want to mention a couple of things, and regarding my presence here on YouTube. As you may have guessed, I am currently shooting this video from an entirely different room in my house. This is for two reasons. One, my bedroom has become cluttered lately. So to save space, I have moved essentially my office equipment, such as my iMac and printer. Two, this room is a lot quieter, and because it's quiet, I can produce great quality content for my subscribers when in the absence of distraction and noise. I'd also like to mention another note. So for the purposes of this video, I have purchased some new audio equipment. This is so I can clearly project what I am saying in my videos and what I am promoting. Okay, so with that out of the way, let's begin today's video. Okay, so today I'll be unboxing the brand new Apple AirTags. So if you've been hiding under a rock lately, Apple AirTags are a brand new product and category. They essentially act like tiles. The pairing process is very simple in comparison. Using your iPhone, iPad or Mac in the Find My app, you can track items such as your keys, wallet or bag. On Apple's website, they also offer keychain accessories. Now, as lovely as they are, I don't think anyone, including myself, would pay £300 for a Hermes keychain. Thankfully, there are many third parties who have designed these their own for a much cheaper price. I've purchased two of them in the colour of red and blue, and it only came to £13. Not bad. I cannot wait to attach them to my keys. I am always losing them, so in order to pair the new AirTags, you will need an iPhone 6s or newer. You simply bring the AirTag within close proximity. You'll be prompted to pair it with a single tap. However, you can only add up to 16 under one Apple account. The battery powering the new AirTags is a typical CR20332 battery, which lasts up to a year before needing replaced. You can replace the battery by turning the metal component, giving you access to the battery and charging ports. I was very surprised about this because Apple is usually a very closed system. Many people thought that the AirTags were going to be powered by a lightning cable, but it just goes to show that some people can get their predictions so wrong. There's one other feature that Apple has included with the new AirTags: tracking prevention, whereby they are not allowed to track people, and the tracking itself will stop working on the Find My app. If you've lost your AirTag, it will provide you the handy new feature called Precision Finding. It provides you with a distinct UI and a directional arrow alongside how far it is from your location. Once you're in the area of the AirTag, the arrow will be replaced by a circle. So that's a look into the brand new Apple AirTags. What do you think? Will you be buying them? Or will you be sticking to tile? Also, don't forget to like and subscribe below. And I'll see you all in the next video.